Today we are going to do a very simple ombre lipstick for beginners. So we're going to use 3 things. Here I have my Zambag with me, and I have Revlon red lipstick, and I have the lip liner or eyeliner with me. So you just wanna go with the Zambag just to lip treat your lips. The Zambag works just as a moisturizer. You just wanna moisturize your lips, because at times not putting moisturizer is gonna make your lips really dry. Then after that, we just gonna take this lip liner, line.
Wakasanga mutoro, usadudutse unoshika, padiki uchienda, Mwari vayatumira ndume. Rwendo rwacho runorema, wakasanga mutoro, usadudutse unoshika, padiki uchienda, Mwari vayatumira ndume.